In this video, I'll show you how to master Grok AI in 2026. If you want to get the most out of Grok, the key is not just asking questions. You need to learn how to give clear instructions, refine responses, and use the available features effectively. Start by understanding what you want to accomplish before writing your prompt. Whether you're researching a topic, writing content, analyzing information, brainstorming ideas, or solving a problem, clearly define your goal first. Next, create detailed prompts. Tell Grok what you need, provide useful context, and explain any specific requirements. You can also specify the desired tone, length, format, and target audience. For example, instead of asking Grok to write about marketing, explain what type of marketing you mean, who the content is for, what platform you're targeting, and how you want the final result structured. Another important skill is using follow-up prompts. You don't always need to get the perfect response on your first attempt. Review Grok's answer, and then tell it exactly what you want to improve. You can ask Grok to simplify an explanation, add examples, reorganize information, shorten a response, or provide a deeper analysis. For larger projects, break your work into multiple stages. Start with research or brainstorming, then create an outline, develop the content, and finally review and improve the result. If supported file analysis is available, you can also use documents and other files as part of your workflow. Upload the relevant file and give Grok specific instructions about what information you want to find or analyze. You can also use Grok as a writing assistant.